Hello guys, today we'll be creating a Lithophane 3D print. It is something that I've been investigating, which is that you print a photo in 3D, and when exposed to light it shows the different shades of filament. The first step will be to go to 3DP rocks/lithophane, which I will link below. Once in the website, you select image and load the image you want to convert. Go to image settings and set the image to positive. The rest of the settings are to tune your model. Then, go ahead and choose whether you want your model to be flat, curved, or any of the others, and download the STL. I'll take this time to announce a goal. Recently I posted a poll on Instagram in which I asked if you would like me to put my Echo Dot inside an R2D2. I got a lot of positive feedback and designed it. Then I realized it would take 100+ hours to print and a third of my filament. Therefore I am setting this as my 1000 sub goal. As you can see, my model was a bit dark due to the Star Wars theme, but you are able to see Kylo Ren, Rey, and Han Solo pretty well. Well, that's it for this week guys, hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you will be notified every time I upload. See you next week.